Tired of contact details living in scattered spreadsheets and random notes? Let's bring order to the chaos and import them all into Zoho CRM. First, log into your Zoho CRM account, then navigate to the Contacts module, usually found on the left-hand side menu. Now, look for the three dots or the ellipsis icon. This is often the More Actions menu, where you'll find the Import option. Click on Import Contacts. You'll then be presented with different import methods, like importing from a file, from another CRM, or even from Google Contacts. If you're importing from a spreadsheet like Excel or CSV, choose from File. This is the most common method for many users. Next, select the file you wish to import. Zoho CRM will then guide you through a field mapping process. Here, you'll match the columns from your file, things like first name, last name, email, phone number, to the corresponding fields in Zoho CRM. This is crucial for accurate data entry. Once you've mapped all the fields, initiate the import. Zoho CRM will then populate your contact database, centralizing all your information. Now you have a clean, organized, and powerful CRM. Don't forget to subscribe for more Zoho CRM tips and tricks. #contact import #data migration.